welcome. So I'm playing the second to last game. I sold a few things over the weekend and got a bit of extra cash, so I'm actually going to film. I've actually got another $40 to play with after this, so I'm actually going to film 2 lots of playing this game and then actually schedule one for next Monday, because next Monday I'll be a day off, but I won't have a camera to film anything, so I figured that it'll be really good to put this one up today because it's Monday, and then another one for next Monday, even though and I'll do the results on the one I put up next Monday, but I'll film it today. So today we're playing with 10, 20, 30, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, so $40, and we've got 40 prop notes. So how's everybody? It's raining here. Apparently it's going to rain on Thursday when I move house. Well, move the house that's stuff into storage. So I'm not very happy about that, but you never know. I mean, it was supposed to rain today and it's only maybe started raining the last couple of hours. Yeah, so I'm doing a little bit of film. I've come home from work, I've had a lie down. I'm doing a bit of filming now, and then I'm going to let me just swap that one and that one. I'm going to do some more packing and yeah, generally pack, get things sorted and try and reduce my stress, because I've had a headache all day and I know it's stress related. Getting a lot of the -1s today. Oh, wild card. Now wild means, oh, so I've just swapped. I just swapped 2 over, but swap, I can't remember. Oh, and I think I've packed the rules. So I'm going to make it up. So the swap card, I swapped 2 things. Wild means I'm going to take one. I'm going to take this one from here and pay that debt back. Just make it up as I go along. Roll the dice. So I think evens was move forward, evens move backwards, odds move forward. So evens moves back, swap. So wild card was swap 2. Swap is, yeah, let's swap the holidays and the emergency. I think I know the rules now, but I don't know about you, but when I'm under a lot of stress, my mind goes to mush and I can't remember things and nothing makes any sense. And I feel like that's happening at the moment. So here, +1. Yeah, everything feels a bit mushy in my head. So filming this will be good because it means I can get it finished. -1. It's not doing very well. Roll the dice. So evens means move backwards. Oh no. But anyway, I'm going to move backwards because I'll pay that off. And then I can do travel expenses again. Roll the dice. Evens move backwards, odd moves forwards. So that goes to there. Yeah, so, oh, another one. So yeah, so hopefully tonight I'll get finally finished with my packing of my suitcases of my clothes, and I'm going to put them in my garage in the morning, and then tomorrow after work I'll come home, put them in my car, take them to my friends, and then I know that that's done. And then I do need to take my couch apart. I don't think it will take long because it's home, I want to say homemade, but it was actually made professionally, and I bought it off a friend years ago, and it's a really nice couch. It needs recovering, but I think it's worth keeping and recovering when I come back. Wild means, so I swapped. So wild means take one pile and put it on another. So I'm going to take that pile, put it on another, and then put that back over there to debt too. Yeah, so 2. So things are progressing. I've had my first day at work with the person that will be taking over from me. She's very anxious to get things right, so I've just reassured her. And then when I said, like, it's time to go, she said, but we don't finish work yet. And I said, you're on your first week, it's orientation. I don't believe that you can now concentrate. And we've been going since 8 o'clock this morning, and it was 2 o'clock in the afternoon. And we'd sort of only had 20 minutes for lunch. And she's like, but what do I do? I said, you go home. And I said, you rest, and then you get ready for tomorrow, because we've got quite a lot of work to do. We've got 3 days to hand over my entire caseload and show her how to work the computer system, the internet, show her the office, show her how things work and everything. So yeah, it's not easy. Let's move forwards. Travel treats aren't doing very well. Roll a dice. So move forward. So odds is move forwards. Yep. Odds is move forwards. Evens is roll backwards. Oh, wrong one. Roll the dice on here. Let's move forward. And +1. So I hope everybody's had a great weekend, and that you're doing all really well. Roll the dice. I'm about to close out my May. I get paid on Wednesday for the last time of a proper wage, and I need to condense all my envelopes and put money back in the bank. And yeah, so I'm thinking I might do that Wednesday night after I get paid, so that I can then schedule that too for when I've not got the photo stand. Oh, this is looking better. Roll the dice. So evens is back, odd is forward. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to put that on there, and I'm going to shuffle these. I've got quite a bit left. What else is going on in my world? I'm very tired. I had a lot of friends over the weekend. We had bubbles, we had food. A friend I haven't seen in a very long time came over yesterday. We had a few tears. Yeah, I've had a few tears this weekend. I hadn't realised, but I actually have some amazing friends here in New Zealand. And they're all going to miss me, and I'm going to miss them terribly. But it's really interesting when you catch up with people and you don't realise how close you are to friends until you're going away for a while and you won't see them for a while, even though we'll keep it in touch. But it's just seeing them. Oh, I have a story to tell. Let me finish this, because it's a really cool story that I need to concentrate on about friendships. But yeah, it's so evens, move back, move forward. Oh no, I moved it. Yes, yeah, so I had a really good weekend, seeing lots of people. My neighbours came over, which was really cool, so they're going to keep an eye on the house. That was good. And my neighbour, I just saw him tonight before the rain set in. I put my bin out for the trash guys tomorrow, and he said, what a great gathering you had on Saturday. He said, I had fun, and I didn't spend much time talking with him, but I gave him a beer, and he said, if you ever have any more beers. It was so funny. He said, don't tell his wife. But he whenever I put my trash out, once it's empty, he's retired, he goes down and he picks his bin up and he picks my bin up. So it's really cool. When I get home on a Tuesday evening, my bin's already been collected from the road. Wow, look at this. This is my holiday. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. That's a great amount. So that's my holiday. So I'll go in the holiday fund. So we've got the travel expenses. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. That's good. Yeah, so the story, maybe, yeah, so 1, 2, 3, 4. So in COVID, I'm a Stampin' Up demonstrator, and in COVID, a group got together and we made, someone made a Facebook Messenger and invited people to sign up to send cards to one another. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And so it ended up that there was 2 groups, and the lady in question, we met through this group, and what happened was the group was so successful that we decided to do it again. And so in COVID, I must have had about 50 cards in the end, and we just sent cards to each other. We actually wrote in the cards. As Stampin' Up demonstrators, when we do shares and things like that, we often don't write in the cards, but this was us writing to one another in COVID times, in a time of uncertainty, just sharing love. Anyway, so 2020, it's now 2025, and Gay has been on my Facebook for a long since then, and we've kept in touch via Facebook. And on Saturday, she literally lives up the road from me. On Saturday, she came to the house and she said, "I'm just coming to give you a hug before you go." And I went, "Oh, won't that be a bit far?" Because I thought she was in Auckland. She wasn't. She lives in Hamilton, where I live. So, yeah, she came, gave me a hug. She had a cup of tea, and we were sharing the story that we've never met, but we've known each other for 5 years since COVID times. It was like, I don't know, it's one of those stories that Facebook has, even though it has its real downside. I'm 61, and Facebook has just been amazing for me and my family and my friends, because we don't see each other. In fact, I hadn't met her. 5 years I've known her, and yet we knew each other. We followed each other's lives, and yeah, I just think it's amazing, Facebook sometimes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. It's a good one. So that was really cool. And yeah, had people coming. I opened my house up for the day and had people coming and going for the day. I drank lots of wine. Had quite a hangover this morning, 2 days later. I don't drink very much, and I hadn't drunk for, I think, 6 weeks because of the pneumonia that I had. So yeah, so that's that. So we've done those. So let me just open these up like this for the thumbnail on the page. But yeah, friendships, aren't they amazing? And I'll leave you with that. Bye for now.